Hello, I'm creating this tutorial as I didn't find any of this kind when I was searching. I saw many projects about connecting to serial devices on the computer, but I didn't find any connecting a serial device that was over the network. To connect to a serial device on your computer, you can use the serial component of Visual Basic. But to connect over the internet, you can't use it or over the network. So what we will do? First, we will create a new project, a Windows Form application. I already created it. Then we will add a new form. I will call it runout. I will double click here to open the code. We will need some imports for this. Right? Okay. I will design one button, two text box, and a rich text box. The first text box will send the IP address. The second one will send the communication port. I'll call the IP address text box as CIP, and I'll call the port one as C port. And the rich test, I will call return. I will bring the return to this rich text box. And the button, I will call it run. So very simple. Opening the run, I will write the following. I prefer to always make it between tries to avoid lost messages. So first, I will test if we can connect to to the port, as I'm using over the network, I need a TCP client and a network stream. I will also open a string and here I open the connection, grabbing the IP address and the port. With the transmit, I will get the stream. And the protocol will be the text you have to send to the network to the network device. In my case, I have to send the following: the text in MS and the characters to give a new line and an enter. I will send the transmission. To send, I will use write. And as it is a serial device, I have to transform the text into byte. So I will use the following. Sending as ASCII. And taking the text length. So this is the command to send something to a serial device. If I have any problem with this connection, I will get error connection, error connecting. Now I will open the receive area. Receive as a byte. Now I'm receiving, so instead of using write, I will use read. And the comment follows as the one to write. Now I will transform the bytes into string. And we will populate my return. If I have any problems, I will prompt so let's see if it works. First, I will not place anything here. So I will get an error connecting. Now I will place the IP and the part, and I get the string from the network device. Hope it helps, and thanks for watching. It's my first tutorial. Hope you like.